Hello, NSEFI is bringing this weekly bulletin to you to outline the recent developments in solar industry in the past week and also to highlight NSEFI policy advocacy efforts. First, let me take you to NSEFI representations. NSEFI requested Secretary MNRE for amendments in the procedure for issuance of CCDCs for solar projects in terms of submissions of land documents at beyond approval stage. A request was sent to Principal Secretary of Gujarat Energy Department on waiver or removal of imposition of the contribution towards RREDF by renewable projects being set up in the state of Rajasthan under the Rajasthan Solar Energy Policy 2019 and Wind and Hybrid Energy Policy. NSEFI also requested for issuing advisory directions, procedures and timelines related to change in land sponsor during the lock-in period as per the standard bidding guidelines to Secretary MNRE. Coming to top stories, news from 14th September. In the draft electricity bill, gross metering have been proposed for all resident solar rooftop systems above 5 kW. News from 15th September. Government of Gujarat have revised its policy on allocation of wasteland for wind, solar and hybrid power generation parks. Reports from Andhra Pradesh, APTEL have declined the wind generators' appeal against APSLDC and AP Transco to revise its power curtailment schedule. On the same day, Delhi reported that it reduced 50% of fixed power charge for CNI consumers. Reports from Telangana Assembly unanimously passed a resolution against electricity amendment bill stating it intends to curtail state's power. News from 17th September, non-resolution of PPA reopening issue of Andhra Pradesh has impacted large asset deals and payout schedules. PFC and REC to infuse Rs 3 billion to set up back-end infra for smart meter in a joint venture promoted by NTPC, PGCIL, REC and PFC. Reports from Gujarat, solar developers shall become more accountable with the Gujarat's new land policy. GERC invited comments from stakeholders on discussion paper for wind solar hybrid projects tariff determination. News from 18th September, reports from Andhra Pradesh to make renewable energy viable for RTC, NRED cap laid focus on pumped hydro storage and shortlisted 7 feasible locations. News from Uttar Pradesh plans to install 8,000 solar borewells. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news coming next week.